Hey, everybody. This is Q, Growing with Hudson. This is my September update going into, what we going into? October. So, this is the plant I was saying that I was going to pull. Then I figured out that it was Mexican sunflower. That's a beautiful, beautiful plant. Better get away from it because it's a lot of stuff that go to it. See, I got some more buds coming. Yeah, it's beautiful. I didn't know that this plant, I should have, well, I guess because it was so hot it didn't come. Because it was it just had leaves. This is my cayenne pepper. Hopefully, I could get all of them to turn red before the frost. That'd be awesome. My butterfly pea. See, it's a couple of them. I just harvested a lot of them too. But it's one pea down there that I let go to seed so I can have some seeds. I think I mentioned that before. Ooh, God, what is that? Ooh, he look treacherous. Let's see. What kind of bug is that? Let me get away from him because I don't want him to jump on me. So there go my banana tree. Them leaves just keep coming. My peppers, they look sad because it was hot earlier, but I still got peppers. And how about I thought I had 2 jalapeno plants. This, I believe, is the peach rush, the one Broke gave me. I gotta do better with labeling. See, they had it over there, and I could tell because they shaped. This right here is some white turnip greens. That's my olive tree. This is a habanero, and it had a whole bunch of flowers too, but it get dry real fast. This is some type of greens. I didn't label them, y'all. This is this orange flesh watermelon. It's just been hanging in there. One of my lemon trees. And I tried to propagate that pulp from the banana tree. It's still not doing nothing. Like it didn't take. And this is my butternut squash. I don't know if they go make it. But I planted again, and cause it's cool at night, you see how that what do you call it? That mold is on the leaves. This is something that I gotta do. I gotta plant the rest of my fall stuff. But this is my pomegranate. Hopefully I could up pot that before the frost come. Let me get closer so y'all can see. That's pomegranate. That's my sage. That blueberry plant, I don't know if it got any hope. And I believe that's either a radish or some type of greens. My holy basil. I just got another, I heard a lot of things about this one. Try to keep this up. Where is it at? Here it go. Pink lemonade blueberry. So I got one of those. The other blueberry is right there. That's just the empty pot. This sunflower has seen better days. I'm gonna collect whatever seeds that come. The mint is doing good. I need to water some more. But you see, like the turmeric, this look like it needs some water. That's my lavender. I think I'm gonna pull that celery back there. That's my ginger. And that's all my citrus back there. They hanging in there too. But that right there is spinach. And over there is carrots. So yeah. Still have sweet potato slips. Cilantro. My okra. Oh, this is a bigger okra than the other one. And that's what I skipped, didn't I? That comfrey still hanging in there. Pineapples. Now, this is what I saw today. Look at that sweet potato vine coming up. So, evidently, I didn't pull all the sweet potatoes out. Ooh, look at the bugs. They can have it. Right there, I put some fava beans in here with my big okra. Yeah. This is a bell pepper plant. I just threw the seeds in there to see what they gonna do. It's a lot of little bell peppers in there. The second stage of corn, they already tasseled, but you see that little corn coming? See right there? So maybe there's hope. Maybe there's hope. Okay. Little flower. And I got a little Swiss chard. I'm gonna plant some more Swiss chard too. This is that cherry tomato. They got cherry tomatoes and flowers everywhere. See over there? And this is what I need to harvest. And it's been had, and I don't know if y'all even really seen it. My lemongrass back there. Y'all see it back there? I'm gonna harvest that this week and dry it out. Gee, mama, I'm gonna blame it on the heat. My goldenrod has started flowering, and then it just died because it was so hot. So it looked like it got new stuff on there, but it's dying out too. But yeah, guess I have to wait till next season. Our rose bush then had it. Some more ginger. Let me show y'all this other okra plant right quick. My nasturtiums. See if I forgot anything else. Yeah, see? They look pitiful because it was warm, but you see my okra coming? So that's it. I'll leave y'all on a beautiful note of my sunflower. There she goes. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button, share it out, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Y'all have a blessed week. Q, and I'm out.